I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your Justdial profile is claimed and verified. This establishes trust and unlocks features. Once done, fill every field, name, address, phone, because accurate NAP drives local searches. Make sure to upload 3-5 high-quality photos and your logo so users recognize you, and choose precise categories and service areas. These first actions improve visibility quickly, and they set the foundation for paid promotions and reviews that actually convert visitors into leads. Next, optimize how you present services so users know why to choose you. Craft a concise 2-line headline and a 150 to 200-word description that explains benefits, not just features. Then, insert targeted keywords naturally and add 5 to 8 service tags to match search intent. Once that's done, configure offers, call-to-action buttons, and fixed-price packages to reduce friction. This increases inquiries. Finally, run a small paid boost to test which listing elements attract the most calls. Finish by converting and refining. Monitor call logs and inquiry types, and aim to respond within 1 hour because speed converts interest into bookings. Make it routine to ask happy customers for reviews and reply publicly to feedback. This builds credibility and pushes your ranking up. If leads remain low, troubleshoot. Confirm categories are correct, pause conflicting ads, refresh photos, and update pricing or offers. By iterating these steps, you steadily increase qualified leads and reduce wasted spend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.